Hello and welcome back. Now I'm going to load my program into my microcontroller board, and let's see if it works or the errors it could be. Okay, let's back. Okay, have to connect my nucleo. To say okay. Connecting. Okay. I'm going to connect my terminal. It's going to be COM5 9600 8 bits, non-parity, one-stop bits. The same configuration as I used when I create my project. Okay, connected. Now I'm going to resume the execution. Okay, here we have our menu. I'm going to print the queue, no items in the queue. You can see every time the microcontroller sends the messages, sends the text, how in the screen my device to connect to transform my signals from the UART to USB, how the LED blinks. I'm going to select distract, no nodes to extract. Now I'm going to add a node as I did previously. I'm going to say Jason is going to be, well, I'm going to change his age, 46. See, oops. I'm going to print the new queue, Jason. Now it's going to add another node. I'm going to say Bia. Bia is 48, 45. Sorry. I'm going to print Bia 45. I'm going to add a no more. I'm going to say David. I'm going to say 54. And I'm going to add a fourth node. It's going to be myself, David, 48. Now we can see we have 4 nodes on the queue. The first thing I'm going to do is to extract, to pull a node from the queue. And the first node is going to be pulled from the queue is going to be the first one, Jason. Remember, when we have a queue, it's a FIFO, first input, first output. So the first node was input was Jason age 46. So it's going to be the first to be output. Let's see. Let's check. Is what we're going to do. I'm going to extract and as I expected, Jason age 46 is the node extracted from the queue. I'm going to continue. I'm going to print. There are only 3 nodes left on the queue. I'm going to extract the next one. This one has to be B45. Exactly, B is 45. And there are only 2 nodes left on the queue. I'm going to extract another one. Or maybe I can add another one. Okay, I'm going to add Julia Julia is my daughter. She is 10 now. I'm going to print. Okay, Julia is add to the queue, but is add to the end of the queue. And I'm going to add another of my daughters, here, to be the 7. And I'm going to add, I don't know, David again. It's 35. And there are 5 nodes on my queue. I'm going to extract all of them until the queue is going to be empty. I'm going to extract the first one to be extracted is David, age 34. I'm going to continue. I'm going to extract. The next one is JB. There are only 3 nodes in the queue. This one has to be Julia. And the next one has to be Judith. And there is only one node on the queue. I'm going to start it. The last one, David. And if I print the queue, there are no items on the queue. And if I ask the program to extract another node, it complains because there are no nodes to extract. Okay, and that's it all we want to share with you. I hope this video has been useful for you, and I wait for you in other videos. Thank you for watching.